Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace all numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to find and replace the all number. At first, go to home menu, select the find and select drop down menu, choose the find option. Now I am find some numbers. Now I am find 7, then click find next. We can see we find the number easily. You can find another number, select 5 and click find. Now we want to replace the all number, click the replace option and write another number. Now I am write 00, then click replace all. We can see we replace 10 number, click OK and close the window. Now we can see we replace find and replace all number in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.